Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are new here. I said that all backwards. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, makeup unboxing, and things in my real life is what you'll find here on my channel. So if that's something you're interested in, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's Ipsy unbagging. All right, this is the October Ipsy unbagging. I got mine early compared to last month, but last month I had an add-on. But I've seen other people who had an add-on this month and still got their box early or bag early, so who knows, maybe they were trying to rush everything out, or they just, did a lot better job getting things done. If you watched my video last month, I was very disappointed because 3 items I was supposed to get I did not get. So I contacted customer service and they said they would send out replacements. I got those replacements and I'm going to show you what they are. Yeah, so I was supposed to get, I'm like trying to think how to start this. I was supposed to get a Natasha Denona cheek product, which was what Ipsy picked for me. I did not receive that. I was supposed to get a lip product. I don't remember if it was lip gloss, lip oil, that Ipsy picked for me. I did not get that. And I got 2 of my 3 picks, and then one of my picks I did not get, and that was a makeup primer. So what did they send me as replacements? And they did say, oh, we may have run out of things. First of all, Ipsy, if you're going to tell somebody this is what we're putting in your bag, then you better have enough of that product so that everybody who you say you're giving it to gets it. I can understand if you run out of optional products, but if it's something you say you pick that you're going to give to somebody, then give it to them. Have enough to give it to them. Because I'm pretty sure they ran out of that Natasha Denona cheek product. And if you're not going to be able to send it to them, email people and let them know what their substitute item is going to be. That's what I'm going to say about that. Because I still did not get the Natasha Denona cheek product. What I did get in my replacement is an Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. Cool. Not something I would have picked, but cool. Sure, why not? And I got the lip thing they were supposed to send me in the first place. This is from Full Ritual. It is a magnetic balm. What? Why are things magnetic? Lips don't need to be magnetic. It is, I guess, it's a tinted balm. Why it's in this and this, and no, but it is a tinted balm. It is in the shade, I have no flipping clue. It probably says on there Second Nature, maybe. I will show you. It is sort of an orangey color. It would go with this lip look, but orange is not a good color on me because I'm cool toned. So, but it is very sheer, so hopefully that will be okay. It smells fruity and sweet, kind of like pineapple. I just like pineapple, so we'll see. That might not be a win-win. This is something that Ipsy picked for me. Yeah. And instead of Natasha Denona cheek product, I get Shayna B brushes in pink, which I haven't actually even opened these to see how they feel. So let's get into these and see how they feel. I don't think I've ever received brushes from Shayna B. So it is a set of, how many brushes do we have here? 5 brushes. And they seem pretty soft. So we got one great big like face complexion blush and then 4 eye brushes. I like this one. This is one of those pointed pencil brushes. I have not been able to get one of these, and now I have one. So yay me. And yeah, 3 other brushes. So these don't seem too bad. I can't tell if that's real hair or synthetic. Who cares? I don't actually know the difference. But those are some pretty pink brushes. Oh look, we have, they're labeled. That is lovely. So this is an all over shadow. This is a tapered blending. I don't see that it's tapered, but okay. We've got a precision blending. Sure. We've got the pencil brush. And then the big one is a setting brush. Cool. All right, so I got brushes. I need more brushes, but still not what I was looking forward to. I did not get the primer, which is what I wanted. I wanted a primer, and I mean, if they had substituted primer, that would have been fine, but this is a lip exfoliator and brushes. Okay, enough about last month's disappointment. Let's get into this month. I already checked. I did get everything I was supposed to. I just have forgotten what those things are. So first of all, I'm loving this bag. These are my favorite colors, black and purple, and it's all witchy. Ish. I mean, there's 4-leaf clovers on there. Yeah, I don't know. This fish. Anyway, it is a lovely bag. It is nice quality, in my opinion. So, I'm going to not look in here and reach in and pull out. We have the Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. Yep. Cleanse, purify, and exfoliate for oily combination skin. Okay, I guess I have combo to normal skin. I think I just have normal skin. But I think this is something Ipsy picked for me. Or I didn't have enough choices and this was the best one, a facial cleanser. I got a facial cleanser last month. I'm going to have facial cleanser for a while, but yeah, that's not so bad. I mean, you can always have another facial cleanser. Then we have something in a box. This is from Wildcat Mushroom and Moss Moisturizing Gel Cream. Ooh. This is one I think I picked because moisturizers, you know, you can never have too many moisturizers. And it sounded interesting, so that is what that looks like. And a gel cream. I'm not going to open it just to check it out, but it's a moisturizing gel cream. So take that for whatever it says. Smooth dime size amount into neck and face. Can be applied on top of their Milk Girl Glow Serum. And you can throw it in your bag to use as a hand cream. All right. Okay. Cool. So that was one. I do remember picking that because I thought, ooh, gel cream. I'm going to put that back in the box. That's actually quite a nice little box. All right. Next, we have a big tube. So that appears full size. That appears, I'm guessing, full size. Did I have a card? Oh, I do have a card in here. Haha. This month is Halloween. And it just talks about makeup ideas for Halloween. So it doesn't tell me what anything is worth, but those, I'm guessing that's a full size, and that seems to be a full size. And then this is a full size. It better be. This is a Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Cactus and Pink Pepper. Ooh. It is sealed. I don't want to open it, but I could always use a hand cream. And this is a lovely pink hand cream. So yeah, I think I picked this, or Ipsy picked it for me. I can't remember. I'm getting my months confused. I'm like, how many have I picked out? I picked out 3 so far. Okay. So I'm pretty sure Ipsy picked the cleanser for me because I wouldn't have picked another cleanser unless I had no other top weight choices. This one I do remember for sure I picked this one. So we have 2 more things in boxes. We have from, this one I picked from Skylar, This is their Coconut Cove Eau de Parfum. And it has scents of bergamot, coconut, and ambrox. So I've heard a lot about Skylar, and I am in the hunt for new perfumes to try. And this is a roller bottle. I'm like, wait, okay, can't really smell the perfume I put on this morning. Let's see. How does that smell? So far it smells very perfumey. Very light. It smells good. I think I like it. So that's from Skylar. That is Coconut Cove. And that is what size? A 10 ml or 0.33 fluid ounces. So that's a nice big roller ball. Yay! That smells nice. And then lastly is another one I think I picked. So I picked the gel cream, the Skylar perfume, and then I believe I picked this one. This is from Clio, C-L-I-O, Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara for extreme volume. And that is what that looks like. That is a really red package. I'm not going to open it and show you the wand, so hopefully you're okay with that. I just prefer not to do that because I'm afraid it's going to dry out, and I want to save it for when I'm ready to use it. So yeah, if you've heard of this brand before and tried this, let me know. This is Clio's Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara. We have the Skylar Coconut Cove. If you've tried that, let me know. Unique, exotic, relaxing. I like that. And then we have the hand lotion, the facial cleanser, and the cream. So I got everything I wanted, and the selection of products I think was a little bit this month. There were some things that were available that I did not pick. There was the LYS blush because I wasn't sure if I was going to get the Natasha Denona cream blush, and I didn't want to end up with two cream blushes. There was a Fenty Gloss Bomb, which I wasn't sure if I wanted another gloss, but now I'm finding I really like gloss. So anyway, the point is I am learning from my choices, and hopefully in the future I will make other choices. But the only makeup I really got was the mascara, and that's okay because I think I'm about due for a new mascara. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will link my playlist so you can watch any of my previous unboxings in the iCard up there. And until next time, remember to take care of yourself, be true to you, stay spooky because it's spooky season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!